So Google Forms has a lot of great options to customize your header. And to do that, you select that icon, go to choose image, and Google actually has quite a large selection of photos. So there's work and school, illustration, birthday, food and dining, party, just kids. And if you want, you could upload your own. So this video is going to be about uploading our own. To do so, I'm going to open up Google Slides and I'm going to go to File, scroll all the way down, and select Page Setup. You're going to select the arrow all the way down and go to Custom and select Pixels. Okay, and the dimensions are going to be 1600 by 400. Okay, and you're going to notice that the size looks completely different. It's a rectangle. And I want to customize the background. I'm going to choose my own image. Actually, no, I want to choose a background. And I'm going to go ahead and just create a nice shape. And I'm going to create a text. I'm going to insert in a clipboard from my computer. I'm going to tilt it to the side. Insert images. Okay, once I'm happy with it, I'm going to go to File, Download, and I want to save it as a JPEG. And I'm going to go over here where it says T-shirt design, and I'm going to select the custom design, choose image, and there you have it.